Pretty bros.
I watch you for YouTube the other day. I say the paro for government sef. Wetin make you dey vex for your Nigeria government?
Guys, here, me I not tell you lie. As I did so, I know what they use here. They hear Nigeria matter. They get me so.
Yes.
Nigeria government, why I not go dey vex for Nigeria government? Anything when make me I dey hear Nigeria government issue, I dey paro. I know they get you. Why? The things when would they benefit for here? We won't be saying we can't seek asylum for here for the Europe side, my guy. We not be the will not be the real EDG for here, but the things when would they benefit? We at the Nigeria city will not the benefit of our home.
Yes.
Why not go make me paro, my guy? I invest for all these things when be say I dey see for everywhere for Europe, my guy. Different things when be say we support the benefit as a youth, my guy. For my country, for our country, not be only my country now, everybody country. When we support the benefit, our leader they bamboozle us. They bamboozle us, they use us as slaves. If you talk, my guy, na problem. You don't talk, my guy, na problem. Why we not go talk, my guy? See, okay, now you just try look everywhere now. Look the environment, see the kind of see check everywhere, check everywhere. See the way things they happen. May you see which state for Nigeria if I reach this environment. Oh. Here na village they call here, na just small village they call here now, but just look the settings.
Bros, not be lie, na true you talk.
Look the settings.
Okay, now make you dey vex.
I dey vex because our rights, our government don't steal our rights from us. They don't take what it belong to us. Because you know we nobody to talk.
Okay, bro, so abeg, why be say these people they come abroad? They no get, they no they see wetin dey this abroad. So they go London, America, but they no get. Why they no they do this thing?
My brother, I know
for their country.
My brother, the truth of the matter, that they come, their children they come, they know everything. Now it make if them as a leader, if they come here, come for holiday or come for visit, then if they come back to the place where they govern or where they hold their Ogboni meeting for the country, they go tell you say you will never waka comot for the country. They go tell you say my brother now where they not go now be abroad. Now here you just they say abroad sweet. Who don't go there? My brother make me know the reason so abroad be. My God, me I dey tell you so now so abroad be. Not they mind them, you know why they not feel you now. Me at the verse. If I live Nigeria now, I'm not go reason now. I'm not because my eye not go see things when I they see. If my eye not they see things when I they see, I'm not go the paro. You get me? So I know the verse. Nah. Me now don't come. There are so many people now when they say they feel what they feel when they know they see them. You get me? So they Nigeria, they know they see what me and they see. So, but if you go tell them, they not go believe you. Why? Based on the cage. When our leaders cage them. Our leaders, they put them for cage, not be their fault. They get me so. They make me at the paro. I don't get the opportunity to come here. I need to paro because I don't need to.
I understand your feeling. I understand your feeling. Because many of our Nigeria youth, they don't die for that Mediterranean Sea. These are leaders of tomorrow. This world leaders of tomorrow, they work for Nigeria.
You know they work for Nigeria. The leader still remain the leader. The youth are not going to become the youth in Nigeria. They are not going to become the leaders of tomorrow
because right? They don't want to step down.
They don't want to step down. The old cabals, the old cabal, I'll call them old cabal, old vultures. Now we'll call them. Now they sit. After all, they will tell you say, "Man, no go for that reason." But you enter, go tell you say, "Man, you must be loyal to me." If you not dey loyal to me, wait till you support to the benefit from me, you not go benefit them.
Bros, I want to ask you, this abroad when you dey so, you dey sleep for darkness.
Thank you for that question when you ask me. You dey ask me where I dey vex for Nigeria government. Why not go vex for here now? Over since how many years now when I don't dey this Europe side, I never since I come out. Since I come out for Nigeria, I never use my eyes see darkness one day. I never sleep one day. I go wake up, I'll see I not see light. I never one day come out now say I get appointment. I go say I reach bus stop. I not meet train. They go where they go. I never miss appointment one day for the Euro. Nigeria now, if you get appointment for Nigeria, what you take go? If you not get transport, you fit go. If you not get mobility, you fit work out for Nigeria. No good light, no good road, no school, no hospital. What will they benefit for the country? Me and the sit down dey ask myself at the paro, my God, the verse, wetin we dey benefit when we want to become the leaders of tomorrow?
Now I wan ask you a question. This Oshoore revolution, when he say he want revolution, why? He no wan overthrow the government. He want the government to think well. This revolution of Oshoore, when they take put am for prison, so you support am?
Me I no support am o. Me I no just support am at all. That is why I dey tell you say our leader dey bamboozle us. Because when they see the person when get up for the truth, wan speak the truth, they wan silence that person.
No, me dey ask you whether you support the guy revolution.
I support the guy revolution. Wetin I dey try dey talk now, I no support government for arresting that guy. That is my own suggestion. Because that guy, he know the pain when the youth dey feel.
And they stay America.
He
no dey suffer.
He no dey suffer.
But he just wan let the youth know say better thing dey up there.
Okay, now, in they let the youth they know say, may not get up one day, may not fight for na
right.
Okay, now, where if end up now? They go put her for prison.
Prison, just like that.
Okay, now, the youth, the voice of the voiceless, those who don't get mad to take speak for themselves, they still speak for them now. At the end of the day, the person will stand up now to speak for them now. Where the person did now?
They put her, and no youth.
For prison. And no youth now.
Rise up.
Say, as an attack for one, it's an attack for all.
Oh yeah.
If they attack that guy, let's say no to that kind of barbaric behavior when our leaders they feel say to that bad way when they say they take the leaders when they feel say and then be the alpha and omega for the country. They get me so. Me at the verse on my own issue, on my own point of view for this issue matter, my guy, I not support the arrest of Shoere, and I see the verse on my own for some of the youth when be say man,
they're quiet.
They suppose say man no. An attack for one is an attack for all. Let's rise up and set Shoere free. Because Shoere is not fighting for his pocket. He is not fighting for his family's pocket. He's fighting for me and you. Based on say man, he himself don't travel. He don't see everything. When they say man, the youth support the benefit for their own motherland, I mean for their own fatherland, where they not the benefit. They not nobody they know whether man.
Bro, so I want to ask you. I know see you the verse. I bet surface of you the verse. I know.
Yeah,
but bro, as they beat the other one for Germany, one called shopping yam. He leave Nigeria when they plant yam.
They not beat him.
They not beat him where I be for Germany.
No, they not beat him. If they beat him, you know see Marty talk.
Eh?
They not beat him.
As a what you want there for break his leg or hand, I don't understand.
My brother, they go hospitalize him for there, for Germany for there. He go there Kuma.
Not true.
He go there Kuma. The president go here and say, man, all those men when be say man, they for all those frustration youth because our government they call those immigrants when they did the Europe, they call them frustration youth. They get me so you let them know say man, as far as you don't do the Europe side, you are not frustrated again. They get me.
Okay, bros, I understand you. Thank you.
So that guy when they beat for Germany, with that beating, I they thank
okay,
those
that
people.
deputy senator, Abi.
I they thank those people when they do that acting.
But they not beat away.
No,
they for break his leg.
I they pray the day.
Not be like
any of them.
May they not enter abroad again.
They go. You know, me they not.
May they not even come again. If they come, they'll receive beating now.
The city when I did, I hear I say so president, also so leader, this so country where I did. My Gamia na me. You go see them, NTA or anything, any network, they go carry. And me myself go first start playing. To know, say, my guy, they pursue me for Nigeria, they don't pursue me for this Europe.
Bro, so they read the verse. I know, I understand your anger.
I still let you know,
okay.
Say,
thank you.
The war never finished.
Thank you, bro. I understand you. Next time, bro.
My brother,
what will be the name now?
My name is Daniel, aka Koboko.
Okay.
Brother, respect.
Okay.
Thank you, bro.
No problem. Where you the base now?
At the base here in Paris.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, bro.
Okay, viewers, see you next time. Thank you so much.
Share the video. Let the video go viral, please. Thank you.